Say, today I am 8 months old. I have my first 2 teeth. I'm trying to crawl. And I'm the cutest little thing. And my favorite song is Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up comes the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Yay! Saying I'm starting to eat good food and testing my mom's patience a lot. Yeah. Testing mommy's patience. Hi. Say hi. 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 That's such a big boy. Mom says, stop growing. Stop growing. Huh. I look just like my daddy. Except for much cuter. Uh-oh, did you get it? Put it in your mouth. Got it? Oh, see, I dropped it. Sippy. It's not a sippy if you don't hold it. It's not a sippy if you don't hold it. Oh, boning my water. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. See my 2 little teeth? See them? Oh. Roll it. Pat it. Oh no. You know what's going to happen? Then we throw it